A sacred path to silence, stability, supreme consciousness, and liberated existence. A lifestyle of humility, non-violence, gratitude, and purity. Consciousness Kriya. From July 5th to the 9th, 2023, the sacred consciousness Kriya will be practiced with Mohanji in the awe-inspiring valley of the Bosnian pyramids, one of the energetically most powerful sites on planet Earth. Who can attend? All Consciousness Kriya initiates and all those who have completed the obligatory training. In case you feel the inner calling to this sacred technique as well as the retreat, but have not completed the training yet, visit mohanji.org. Be there for the pinnacle of your Kriya training and practice.